Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome to my next video. I just want to talk to you about a really cool product that I've been using myself, and it's saved me heaps of time. You've probably heard about it by now. Everyone's raving about it, but it's called Merch Buddy. So what Merch Buddy does, it could potentially times free your uploading process. It uses a lot of copy and pasting, auto tabs, and text replacement. So what I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to time myself manually without the tool. So I'm going to use a timer, and I will time myself how long it takes manually. Then I'll use one for the using the tool, and we'll compare the time differences and see if it's worth the money. Because time is money, as you know. So okay, so here's a timer. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the manual process. So we go start. Okay, so we go log into your merch account and open a bunch of create tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So standard shirt. I do 2 standards so we can get the lighter colors. 1 premium. 1 long sleeve. 1 sweatshirt. And 1 pullover hoodie. Hoodies will take a different kind of file. But anyway, let's continue uploading. So let's do this. So this is the manual way. So I'm not going to be opening new tabs. These are buttons of the tool. So ignore this button. So you won't see this if you didn't use this tool. Premium. Sweatshirts. Okay, so by the time we get to this one, the first one should be uploaded and ready to press to the next step. Okay, so this is how everybody does it. I'm going to get to the color page next. Oops. Okay, so now we go to the colors. So I usually do the dark color shirts first. Next, now I do the lighter version of on the standards. So my internet's not the greatest right now, but it is what it is. It looks like my hoodie file isn't working. Whilst these are loading, let's get the copy and paste ready. So the retired niches. So you've already done your keywords beforehand. Okay, so that's the manual way. Don't know what's happened there. Okay. You wouldn't see these buttons because I'm not using the tool right now, but this is the manual way. Press select, press continue, and you do the same again for the next shirts. So we're already nearly 5 minutes in. I've got to refresh. Don't know what's wrong with my internet today. So this is the premium. Let's see. Right, this is a premium, so I'm going to go with dark with premium again. Do all the colors here on long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, do them all. I do the standard price now when I'm up in the higher tiers. Anyway, let's forget about this one for now. Let's just do it the lighter color version of premium because I can't be bothered resizing the image right now whilst I'm on a video. Okay, that's good to submit. Okay, so we do the manual copy and paste way again. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. There you go, press continue. Now we've got the hoodies now, so this gets a little bit complicated now. So once we input, okay, we have to change the words for the correlating products. So what I do first manually is I'll put in the same, then I'll switch out the keywords. Okay, so we'll look at overview now, and then what we do is this kind of stuff. Continue. Do the same again, but the sweaters. So this is just a tedious process, as you all know. When you're in the higher tiers, it gets a bit unbearable if you're doing it all yourself. So now do the same again, but now we've got to change these words now. We got sweatshirt. I'll use sweater as a different variation of the word. Try and keep the brand the same, so it's all under one brand. Oh, I made a stupid typo there. So long sleeves, that's ready to go. That one's ready. We're going to do the light colors of the premium shirt now. see what colors look nice. That one looks nice. That one looks nice. Nope, nope. Yeah, that's probably the best one for it. Let's do this one again. Submit. Now, yet again, a copy and paste. T-shirts, that's fine. Okay, that's one done. 2, 3, 4, and 5 products, and that's it. So 5 products for one design. That's took me 11 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to use the Merch Buddy tool. I'm going to do the same amount of designs, and we'll see how long it takes me. It's time to use the tool in action. Okay, so before we do it, I want to configure it in the back end. So click on settings. Let's do, we're going to do 5 products for this test. That'll do. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to reset the timer, and we're going to try again, but with using the Merch Buddy tool in action. Okay, so wait. So we're going to open a Create tab, and the timer starts now. So click here. That's the 5 tabs that I've just configured. Well, it looks like it's 6 tabs, so let's delete one. So I do 2 standards, 1 premium, long sleeve, and a sweater. Premium, long sleeve, sweater. I usually do hoodies, but for some reason my files are not working today. I need to spend some time and see what's up with it. But let's disregard it for the sake of this video. Okay, now the products are in place. Now we just got to upload them. So premium. So around 1 minute so far. Now we're going to do the colors. So I do a dark variation. God, my internet's really slow today, so hopefully you got better internet than me so it could be faster for you. I'm just going to I'm just going to pause this and pause the video until these have been configured. Okay, welcome back. Let's start the time again. I think it's conflicting with my video recording software, so I'm doing my best. So okay, we're on the keyword page. So we do the standard manual way for the first one, but once we got the first one, we can copy and paste. Whoops, wrong box. Okay, now this is done. What you do now is press copy, and that's it. You're good to go. So let's go to the others now. And now we just copy. Let's do the lighter versions. Do the dark premiums. Now, sweatshirt, long sleeve shirts. Now sweatshirts. Like I said, I'd usually do hoodies, but there's something wrong with my computer today. So you press copy by using this button. These buttons are part of the extension, okay? So this is where the magic happens. Paste, and it's good to go. Press, that's it. Now to the next one. Paste, good to go. So can you see how more efficient things are now? Now this is the new update now, okay? We've got this find and replace button, okay? Because this is a different product, those keywords are going to be different. So once we press this, it should change to long sleeve shirt, so we don't have to manually edit it. As you can see, long sleeve shirt. And that's it. This is such a great tool. It's going to save you heaps of time. Paste, then replace. So it should change it to sweatshirt. Now, you ready? Boom. Oh, sometimes you can set the settings so the prices change. So you can disregard the price, so you don't copy and paste the price. So maybe I think this one will be too expensive. And that's it. Submit. And you're good to go. This tool is essential if you want to increase your speed. So you got more time to make designs now. So having so much more time, you've got more time to create more designs. Now, if you combine this tool with your virtual assistant team, it just makes things much cheaper and more efficient for you now. So you can teach your virtual assistants this method, and this keeps the rates a lot lower than it would be done manually. So that the VA can do more production. And that's it. I think we're done. Sell, submit, and that's it. So what's the time to say? Stop. So there's a few little delays. Let's round it off to 6 minutes. So another useful tool is if you configure this to skip to review. What this means is once you go to your draft section, so say you've built up a bunch of drafts, as soon as you press edit, normally you would have to press save selection and continue like 3 or 4 times to press submit. So what this tool does, And it could be the next one. So as you can see, it's already skipped to the last step. So it saved me 3 clicks, okay, just by putting this in there. So that's a useful feature to have. So basically, the manual process for 5 products will take 11 minutes and about 20 seconds. So let's round it round to 11 minutes. Merch Buddy will take you 6 minutes for the same 5 products, okay? So basically, to summarize, the tool will times to your production rates, so which gives you more time to do what you want to do, more time to upload more shirts, okay? And if you've got a virtual assistant team, that's going to give them more production, and it's going to keep your pay by hour rates a lot lower because now they can do more with it. So if you're serious about merch by Amazon, then the tool will do more than pay for itself by giving you the valuable time to grow, basically. So I know the developer is constantly thinking of new ways to improve a tool. So every time he upgrades it, the price gets increased. So you might want to grab it now before the price goes to $60. Okay, so I mean, $30 is probably one of the best $30 you'll spend if you're really serious about this merch by Amazon stuff. Okay, so I'll try and get a discount link and I'll put it in the description. So grab yours today and you won't regret it. You'll love this. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out my other products in the description. Head over to merchcomplete.com and grab your free design. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.